So the grid is slowly cleared of the tyre trolleys. They're behind us. It's safety car, and he's going to be setting off to do the final lap very shortly. The lights flashing, who knows whether he's going to be used during this race. Of course, yesterday, during the Formula 3000 race, he was used a couple of times driving the safety car to control the race. If, for example, there was a fire burst or something similar, he can be well called out to control the race, particularly at the circuit where the spray is so intense at very, very high speed down toward the chicanes here that it's very important to control the race to make it safe.
Well, I just feel great. I mean, I hear the guys saying that the last lap when you're going to win, is such a long lap, and I had lost the taste almost because it was such a long time ago. So it was really the longest one, and I promise you that it was getting a bit more tricky because the rain was coming in separate places, and I was just thinking to myself, that it has to be mine. I mean, yesterday was such a bad day, and it can be good. So let's make it as simple as possible. And I couldn't believe. I'm just, I can't believe my eyes too.
It was fantastic start. I have to admit, something like that doesn't happen often. I mean, certainly me and David, we do practice that a lot in the test days, but this was one of the starts what was definitely goes in record books in my career.
Then Mika pitted in front of me, and at that point I didn't know the safety car was out, so I thought there must be some confusion as to who's actually pitting. So that's why I continued on past, and then I realised the safety car was out. So it's just unfortunate, one of those days when just didn't quite work out. But equally, that could have been a big help had I stopped in that lap. But there you go. I'm still happy to be sitting here with points and getting closer to the championship leader.